Pyzdek Institute.
Let's take a look at solving the Poisson distribution probabilities using Microsoft Excel. To begin, I've created a spreadsheet, and in cell A1 I put mu, the label, and in cell B1 I put 5, which is the value for mu. In column A, cell A2, I've put x, which is the number of successes, and in column B, cell B2, I put x equals 1. We're going to solve for 1 or fewer errors in our sample. I've labeled cell A3 P, X or fewer, and cell B3 is where we're going to put the Poisson probability function from Excel. Now I'm just going to go up to the f of x label on the bar, in the formula bar, and I'm going to click that label. And here I'm going to get a list of all of the statistical functions, which there are many. And I'm just going to type in a search, and the search button I'm going to type, or the search term I'm going to look for, is Poisson. And that comes up in the window. I'm going to click OK to accept that. It's looking for which cell has the x value in it. That'll be cell B2. Wants to know which cell has the mean. That would be cell B1. Wants to know if this is a cumulative distribution or not, and it is, so I'll type in the word true. And Excel solves the problem and puts the answer in cell B3. So the probability of 1 or fewer defects or errors in a sample of 1 unit from a population with 5 errors per unit will be 0.0404. And that's all there is to it.